Like damn.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Just Jen and I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the party, y'all. And if you're returning subby, you already know what the vibes is, period. From the title of this video and probably from the looks, or hopefully from the looks of this video, you can see that I am recording my first video on my new Sony ZV-1 camera, y'all. Y'all, I am too juiced. Like, I had to get some accessories and things for it and kind of figure out like how this thing truly works. So bear with me. It's my first time trying this camera and I'm super excited to like go on this journey with y'all. I'm trying to level up my vlogging experience for you guys and I'm super excited for what's to come. So I'm going to show you guys, well, first I'm going to show you guys the different features that I found just from different people that should make your videos show great content. So we're going to get into that now. And then after that, I'll show you guys some of the accessories that I have and some accessories that are still on their way, y'all. So let's get right into it. So let's get into the Sony ZV-1. Look how clean and crisp this camera looks. The one thing that I really love about this camera is, look at this, the screen. Like, I love how you can flip it, and depending on how you are recording, you can see yourself recording. So I love that because I'm typically always recording on my phone, and that's one thing that I hate of like, you know, trying to get that placed. So let's get into the settings. So I would say and suggest using the intelligent auto mode if you're like outside recording or doing anything vlogging outside. And if you're doing more of like a sit down, you're a girly girl, you're doing get ready with me, makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, I would use the movie manual exposure. That's just going to give you that clean and crisp look. Also, especially if you have it in that soft skin effect, that definitely helps. So I really love that. And then also for the exposure comp, I would turn that either on 0 or 0.3. As you can see, as I'm playing with it, it just gives it a cleaner look when you are on that feature. I have mine set for the 0.3, and that just gives it just an extra crisp, clean look. All right, for the girls who gets it, we need our stuff in 4K. So going to the file format and changing it to 4K gives us that 4K look that we all want and need. Y'all already know what the 4K vibes give, so we're gonna do that. And then you also wanna make sure your record setting is on that 60M. I used to have that when I was recording on my iPhone. I have it on the 60, and it just gives, again, that clean and crisp look, making you look like you are on stage, baby. So make sure you have it in the 4K setting with the 60 for the record setting. So the next feature that you guys need to focus on is how I mentioned earlier, the soft skin effect. I would suggest, I use medium, but I would suggest maybe low. Again, that's great for photos, but also for the video to give you a clean finished look on your face and all of that. So I really would suggest that. Also for the white balance, I would make sure that that is turned on, definitely to your liking, but that helps with like focusing on photos and focusing on your video, so that it just gives it a clean look. Like, we're all about having that clean look, so that definitely would help with videos and photos. Also, as you can see, like the different views that, or the different options that you have, I'm showing you like it gives you a different look. So I would definitely play around with the white balance and see feature you like the best for that. Creative style is also another one. I would set my standard, my contrast, saturation and sharpness all to a -1. Again, this just helps with the camera focusing and the contrast to be A1. And you definitely need that, especially when you're recording videos. So I would make sure all of those are set to -1. And right here, I'm showing you guys like the different and the look if you have the filter on or off. Again, that's something to your liking. It gives it, whether it's on or off. I think off is better just because it's not, I don't know, when it's on, it gives it a little darker look that I don't necessarily prefer. But again, that's up to you. But it just, as you can see, gives you that alternate look and view. Your product showcase, you want to make sure that that is turned on. That helps your camera focus, like especially if you're moving or you're like doing some type of, you're trying to show the camera up close and you want it to focus. That will help tremendously. So I would suggest having the product showcase on. My focus mode, you also want to make sure your focus mode is on continuous, because that's what the camera is telling you, that it's going to focus continuously. Again, when you're trying to show things, or when you get that blurry effect and you're like, focus camera, focus. If it's on continuous, it will continuously try to stay focused for you. And I would also make sure that it's in wide. Again, this helps when you're moving. And the last and most important feature that I found is that, since I was telling the girlies that we need to record in 4K, you need to go to the auto power temperature and make sure you change that to high so that your camera won't overheat or do any of that due to you recording in the 4K quality. Please, please, super important, do not forget this last feature, you guys. Thank you. Yes. All right, so I hope you guys were able to see all the different features and setups that I have for my camera. I hope this really works. We'll see how this do, y'all. But let's get into some of the accessories that I have and that I ordered. So the first thing is I ordered me a light for my camera. Like, y'all already know how it goes. We need the best lighting when we're recording. So I have my light that I literally just got. We can open it together, y'all. We go together. But let's see. I just want to see how bright it gets, y'all. Oh, okay, the charger fell out. And it has the little thing, I guess, to hook up to your camera. Focus. Okay, focusing. Oh, I'm dropping shit, y'all. And then it also has the other adapter for your camera. And then this, let's see if the light works, because I just got it, so it may need to charge. But let's see. So this is what it looks like. Get into her, and then it looks like it has like the little snap thing you can put on the camera. Let's see how this works. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, did y'all see? Whoa. Oh, y'all, this shit gets even brighter. What the hell? Oh, and you can change. Look at that. You can change. Okay. Y'all already know your girl got this on Amazon. So that light is definitely a keeper. I can definitely say that, y'all. She is lit up. The next accessory I got is because I like to vlog and do stuff in my car. So I got a, like, camera mount for my car. So let's open this up because I do have a mount right now in my car, but it's for my phone. And so since your girl is trying to be a real deal vlogger here, I need to be able to set up my camera in the car. So it comes with the little, I don't want to take this out because my ass will lose all this stuff, but it comes with a little adapter for your camera to plug to your camera. And then let's see what the mount. I feel like it's Christmas, baby. Oh, this is heavy duty. So, oh, what? Let's see. Is this, how does this lift? Oh, that's for the, oh, okay, hold on. Get it together. Okay, so this thing here is to move the camera, I guess, up and down. And then this portion here is so it can hold your camera like in place because the camera locks onto that. And then this just suctions right onto your dashboard. So I will be putting her in my car tomorrow. Make sure she works for the girls. But Amazon, y'all, all this stuff is from Amazon. So I definitely will be getting her set up so I can do stuff in the car. And then what else do I, oh, the last thing I got is I needed a actual not a handheld, a standing tripod and all that, because the tripod I have right now, again, is for my phone, because for the longest I've been recording on my iPhone 15. So, damn, Amazon is childproof. Dang. Good googly moogly. So, see what she comes with. Oh, I guess you can have it for a phone or a... I don't think this is what I ordered. What the heck? Y'all, I don't think this is what I ordered. Look how it's... Or is this like a dual phone? It said, let me not jump to conclusions, y'all. Let me get this on here. Let me open this up and see what it's doing before I judge things. So I guess your camera goes right on top of this, but how does this extend? Huh? Y'all, my dumbass had to get on Amazon because I'm like, what? So I guess you just kind of have to have strength, and it's supposed to lift up. Is this the highest it goes, or? Huh? This doesn't really go as high as I thought, but but it's supposed to be so when the camera is on here, you can extend, but I thought this was definitely taller. I thought this was going to be taller, so I may have to take this back and get like a real deal tripod because this is not long enough. I mean, I guess if I'm like walking around, but my camera already came with the whole little vlogging set. So maybe I didn't really need this. I was kind of jumping the gun. So I'm gonna think about that one, because I don't know about that one. get this back together. So she may be going back to the store. I also ordered a wider lens for my camera, but it doesn't get here for a couple of days. So I will be filming probably my next videos with that, with the wider lens, so you guys can get like more of a panoramic view. So I got that. So I got those 3 things, but I'll probably take that tripod back because that's not exactly what I want. I need a tripod that's tall so I can do like try-on hauls and stuff. So I'm gonna need to figure out a better tripod and get that through Amazon. Also, so I got this camera for Christmas. So my mom and brother got me it, and I got this case to carry around with me. And the case is super, let me show y'all the inside. It's like super nice on the inside. It's like velvet on the inside, y'all. Get into that. It comes with the strap, so I can have the strap. Get the strap. But the camera and my light and my accessories and my cord, my charging cords and all that can go in here. So I thought that was pretty cool. And yeah, like you guys, I'm super excited. I hope this video was very informative with all the details on how to edit and get your settings to work perfectly. I can't wait to edit this video to see what I look like and see how everything transforms. I do have like a, I have things coming to where I can plug my camera into my laptop and things of that nature. So I do have more things on the way, but I was just super excited to finally like record and get this thing going. So I just couldn't wait. So as you see, I have some accessories I have to take back, but I definitely think that light is a great investment. I also think the car mount is an investment if you vlog a lot in your car. Those are key pieces, but I also would suggest getting a wider lens, which I'm working on getting. It's being shipped. And then also a standing tall tripod. I need like a 6-foot tripod, y'all. I don't know why I thought that one was something, but it ain't nothing. So I probably will be taking that back and getting a taller tripod. I hope this video again was super informative. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe about this video. I am so happy to join the actual camera crew. For the girly girls that get it, they get it. I'm part of the team now, y'all. But I love these settings. Like from looking at this, it looks super clear. Again, I can't wait to edit my video, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this video is very informative. Get you guys a camera. So far, Sony is doing a phenomenal job. Make sure you guys, again, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next week.